We have Aaron Ross's bike, stole from his house. We have some sweet ODI short neck grips here with a little foreskin at the end here, as you can see. And then the fucking freshest bars in the market right now. We have tie highs that are so fucking wide you can't even bar. Studies have shown, look, can't do it. We have fucking Odyssey P3 front wheel. You know, it's pretty good. It's been lasting a while. We have fucking Shadow Nostra pedals. Fucking blow ass. Look, they're bad. They have fucking reflectors that don't come out. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at fucking pussy. Alright. We have the E-Clad Tilt Sprocket. Fucking boss. Oh shit, I fixed that. We have fucking profile cranks. Alright, look at them. Look, no pinch bolts, nothing. Fresh. Got an S&M sticker right there, real quick. Okay. In the back, we got a Eastern birectional because it's erectional.
And it rubs.
And it rubs. And we have the new Colt and C-Post combo. C-Post combo. You know, just came out yesterday. Got it from Chase DeHart because I'm Aaron Ross. And we have, what do we have? We have Adam LZ's front tire. You know, I took it from his house. Bitch. And we have, in the back we have Max's Miracle, you know, probably the best, no, Ken Contact, my bad. Ken Contact, probably the best fucking tire you could buy. And, you know, that's my bike. And I'm Aaron Ross.